In this part, we go to get the text from the classes and also the ID. So the first thing is, just like before, we have to import the request, and this time we go to this Wikipedia, and we can go to view the page source. And then if you go to here and make the request, and then we import the bs4 like before, and we can see in this Wikipedia we have the table of content, these classes, and so we can go to use the TOC tags. So for example, we can go to here and get the TOC tags, and then for example, if we get the first one, we can get the characteristic, and we can also use TOC tags. And sometimes, for example, if you want to make get these tags editing, so we can specify the class, the TOC level 2 and the TOC section 2. So we replace this, and then if you already learned about CSS, you will know that using the dot, this is go to pointing to the class. So if you execute this, we get these sections, and these sections is including the editing, and then we get TOC tags, and then we will get 1.1 editing and also the source editing. Actually, if you back to here, you can see this is source editing and layout consistency. In this part, we want to get the text from the classes and also the ID, and we use the Wikipedia as a testing page. So first, we just like before, we import the request, and then the response is equal to the request.get, and then we pass this URL, and then we use the bs4, so we have to import the bs4, and then we pass the response.test, and we also use the LXML engine, and then we can, for example, we get the TOC tags. So if you look at the page, we can see actually there are many TOC tags. So just like before, you can view the page source, and if you watch this, you can see we have many TOC tags, the table of content tags. So now we can see the characteristic editing and also the source editing. And now, of course, you can just like this one, you can use the index to point a specific one and get the test. But if you just want to get the maybe the inner text, so for example, we just want the these sections, so we just want to output the source editing, the layout consistency, the basic index, and to the edit summary. And now if you look at the page, actually this is under the TOC level 2, and this is the editing, and this is the level 3, so we can use the level 3, and this will just output the source editing and to the edit summary. And how can we do this is to use the copy this and then we go down to maybe we use this one, the soup dot select, and because this is class, so we use dot, and then we also use to session 3, and we can see we have the only one span, and if you also pass the two table of contents, so we point to dot to the TOC tags. Now we just has the source editing, and then we use the get test or test. We will have the source editing. So if you want to just output the session 3, the level 3, we can use to level 3 and select all level 3, and then we also pass the TOC tags. Now we will get all the tags from the level 3. Now we can output these 6 title. Now we back to here, and now of course you can just like this, we can pass this to the for loop, and then we just print out the text, and now you can see we have the source editing, the layout consistency, and to the potential malware vector. And now if you want to just point to the classes, you can use the hashtag, and I think I already did demonstrate this, so we can delete this part, and then we can see what is the site sub. The site sub has the content from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. So we can use the hashtag to indicate that this is selecting from the ID is equal to site sub. So we can get this, and again we can use the index and then use TOC tags. So we get from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia.